Say amount 3x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4x plus 3. Now say find the x. X no nyira ba question ni busa say find the numbers here. What the best x no a place na e be ma equation no I am valid and my equation no I am correct. And sana obe start to solve question no. E was who say ye wo afamienu e wo equation mu. Greater than or equal to sign n'anim no ye wo 3x minus 2. Ohwe greater than or equal to sign n'achi nso a ye wo 4x plus 3. Enti ye wo two sides e wo one equation. Ye wo akwan hodo bebre a obetim dia solve question we. Enti so wo sase a ye mfa ne say ye pese ye 3x no e free equation mu first. 3x we no e positive 3x. Into pese wo yi free equation mu na e was what 3x a free equation size no afamienu ni nyina because 3x minus 3x will be 0. Inti yebenya 3x minus 3x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3x plus 3. 3x minus 3x said yehuno ebetwam etwam free ho a yebabenya minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3x plus 3. 4x minus 3x it is said the worker say 4 minus 3 ebema was saying 1 into 4x minus 3x no so bema 1x because what 3 free form my beka 1 now the x na the aka home by mpempi no mass mu no yentwere 1x yetwere x nkwan ye ja 1 na edi nanim no ye free ho enti ye free ho a afei no equation ba beye negative 2 is greater than or equal to x plus 3. Ye pese x nkwan agina ho kontonkre independent candidate no nkwan agina ho enti ye besi dan ye yi plus 3 na free ho to pese we plus 3 na free x na nchen a was a what term plus 3 ni free x ni nchen na de call the other side of the equation. Enti we no mass mu no de be ni say essence we no e plus 3 no e was ye de minus 3 e be bata no because 3 minus 3 e be ma was 0. Enti sa dia ye be subtract 3 from the both sides of the equation. Enti yebenya minus 2 minus 3 greater than or equal to x plus 3 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 ebema minus 5 greater than or equal to x because 3 will cancel out minus 3. Enti we no minus 5 is greater than or equal to x no. Yes, actually more ebitima atwere ne say x is less than or equal to saying minus 5. It is said here, $1 US greater than or equal to 10 Ghana cedis. So it is which matter than as I can say 10 Ghana cedis is less than or equal to $1. In an say negative 5 is greater than or equal to x. No, if it must actually say x is less than or equal to minus 5. Enti we ni kire say x ejina homa numbers is so a chain negative 5 and numbers are any negative 5 pe. Enti opese wo check wo answer say answer na wanya no correct. You say x is less than or equal to negative 5. Enti you go back to equation na baby abehu x bia no obetimi the negative 5 ahye ho ni ahwe de ebesi. Enti you go back to equation na you 3 open bracket negative 5 close bracket minus 2 greater than or equal to 4 negative 5 close bracket plus 3. Negative 3 times minus 5 ebema negative 15 minus 2 greater than or equal to negative 5 times 4 ebema negative 20 plus 3. Negative 15 minus 2 ebema minus 17 is greater than or equal to negative 20 plus 3 minus 17. For negative 17 any negative 17 pe. That tells you say answer me 9 x is less than or equal to negative 5 no then the quarry. So what I say, meda wase pan so ne masua de ne when ya gi video ho a mesel so be share ma onua bi no so etimasua ma se de wo so wate asese a na subscribe ma KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Next time no yes be another example into hwe na de bia na post video a abe check it out. Always remember that practice makes permanent.